Should be interesting. Walking by myself this time. Shane's not coming with me. I don't have my mic, so I don't know how good the mic's going to be on this. We shall see. Let me turn on the light, make it easier. I basically have the walker just in case I'm a little off on balance. I'm not supporting my weight with it, so these doors are really, really heavy. But let's do that. Alright. Not gonna go too far. Probably down the hallway. Maybe down the elevator. Anyway, the back surgery on Friday. It's now Sunday. It hurts a little bit. It's not horrible. I think it's more surgery pain, muscle pain from where they had to cut through the muscle to get to the spine. So, yeah, the hydrocodones make me itchy all over. It's the only issue I have with them, but the itch is worth it to get rid of the pain. I don't have the nerve pain in my legs anymore, and that was the bigger issue up until Friday. So let's go down to the first floor. We'll walk around the first floor. Maybe we'll go to the second floor, walk around the second floor. I'm trying to limit my walking. I don't want to walk too far just yet. I'm still only 2 days out from the surgery. Yeah, I'm trying to be gentle with myself. Oh, I think I went to 2. No, I went 1. All right. So let's walk around the building. Yes, I set up the camera on my walker with the same sticks that I use on my motorcycle. Let's go down here to the condos on the first floor, 101 and 102. Although I think there's a step down here, and if there is, I'm just going to turn around. I'm not going to deal with steps today. So, yeah, there's a couple steps. So I'll get to here. I can do steps, but I'm going to try not to. So, there's 101 and 102 down there. This floor's just not even. And the carpet down here. It's nice and clean though. There's businesses behind that door. Again, more itchies with the hydrocodones. I just took one little bump on the carpet right there. Causes issues with the walker. That's always fun. Okay, let's go over by the mailbox. There's 2 packages up here, but I think both of them are from yesterday. It's Sunday, so we shouldn't be getting packages unless it's Amazon. Yeah, that one's for Mary, and that one's for Zoe. So nothing for me. I'm waiting for a new CPAP mask. It'll be here tomorrow. Help me sleep a little bit better. I did get 7 hours of sleep last night, somehow. We got somebody just hanging out here by the walkers, or by the planters. Kept going. All right. That's good. That's good. Okay. Yeah, there's a bunch of stairs I'm not going up. Our little library that my neighbor up 605 got started, still got started on this library. Puzzles and everything. Kind of want you guys to tell me what you want to hear. If you want anything specific from me on my vlogs, they're going to be short little 5-minute vlogs probably. I may even just unedit and just go raw and pick the angle because you don't want to just look at me all the time maybe. This back brace is really nice. It's very supportive. Pulls everything tight, keeps my posture up, which is what I need to do to keep my back straight and everything else. this is the second floor. This Hotel Hague or something like that. I can't remember how to pronounce it. Is the business on this floor. First and second floor have businesses. Third through sixth are all residential. The first floor has residential, 2 units. The third through sixth floor have 7 units each. Second floor is where we access the garage, the garbage, the recycling, and the Sprague entrance is off of the second floor. The Riverside entrance is off of the first floor. And it's only because of the way the building is designed or built or whatever. So get around here, go through that fire door, and it'll get you to the garbage, but I'm not gonna go that far. I'm starting to get a little bit sore just from walking. So what I'm doing is turning around before I get too far, because I have to remember that I have to make it back upstairs. So if I walk too far on the first trip out, it's hard to make it back. I do have my phone and my keys and all that, so I can go down the first floor and cop a squat in one of the chairs or the couch down there and relax, but maybe tomorrow, we'll see. This is the furthest I think I've walked yet since the surgery. So just getting my steps in, keeping my legs moving, keeping the blood flowing to my legs. I gotta get my keys out so I can get the elevator going. Now I get back upstairs. Anywho, that's in a nutshell. I mean, I don't remember anything from the surgery clearly, but I think the recovery for me has gone pretty well. The painkillers are doing their job. I'm gonna walk. We're back up on the 6th floor now, so I'm just gonna walk this a little bit. I don't have to go far to get back to my place. Go down here is where Tom and Bruce are, but I don't want to talk too loud because Ziggy, their puppy, will bark like crazy if you hear somebody in the hallway. So, and they probably don't want that. So you get 2 units over there, 601 and 602. And then the owner of 602 also bought 603 and made 1 big unit out of that. So technically we've only got 6 units on the 6th floor. And there's 604. We got the artwork that Shane painted and the stone and the little rusty dog down on the bottom. We decorated a little bit and make it home. This is Syl's place here. She's got her little flower pots and stuff. And come up around the corner and we've got somebody blowing their nose in here. It's probably Bruce or Lyle, rather. Sorry. So there's a stairwell, and then we've got Aaron's place and the Wendlings. So it's a nice little community, little tight-knit group of people that we got living in the building. So don't talk a whole lot to them. You can tell I'm starting to limp a lot, so yeah, I'm heading back to the condo now. Over the next week or 2, I'll probably make my way outside and get some longer walks in, but for now, I think that's gonna do it. So I'm gonna back in because this door is kind of heavy. Shoulders. All right. You guys see the artwork if you want to see the artwork. Upper left, the Bloomsday Runners, and the 2 on the far right are all pencil drawings. If you can see this one, you might recognize front and center right there is Jack Nicholson. That's from The Shining. Mitchell got that for Shane for Christmas one year. So got our, it's mostly local art except for The Shining picture. So there it is. All right, let's shut the camera off and I'll edit it and go from there.